Hey lovelies, I'm Callie with Southern at Heart. Today's video is a get ready with me, kind of checking out this pretty and pink look. All of the products used in this video are from an amazing company called Farmasi. I'll link the website down below if you want to check it out. All the products are nature inspired and European quality. And of course you got to wash your face first. The eyelash growth serum right here is amazing. I've been using it a little over 4 weeks and I've experienced such incredible results. And I'm getting ready today to go to a creatives meeting to learn some tips and tricks from my photography biz and make some new friends. I love making new friends. And so a pro tip whenever you're applying your foundation is make sure that your sponge is just a little bit damp, and that helps it to go on much smoother and really doesn't crease like maybe like a brush would show you strokes and all of that. So make sure that your beauty blender sponge is a little bit damp. I also love to travel. I love spending time with my family and my friends, just cutting up and hanging out, and I love making people laugh. And I am such a girly girl, it's not even funny. Like, pink everything, pink everywhere. My purse is pink, my cell phone case is pink, my phone is pink, my keychain to hold my keys are pink. I'm just obsessed with it. And flowers, my all-time favorite flowers are pink peonies and sunflowers. Y'all, I'm reviewing my videos, obviously, and checking out everything. You don't realize how thick your Southern accent is until you hear it recorded. Like, wow, super thick. So, but this is me. What you gonna do? One thing that I love to do is to throw movie-themed parties. So we pick a movie and you come dressed as your favorite character or somebody that kind of looks like they could be in the movie. Doesn't have to be exact. And I do food based off of the movie theme, and I decorate house top to bottom according to the movie. And we sit down and we just cut up and we watch a great film. It is so fun. So if you guys are interested in maybe some behind the scenes of how I do this, drop them in the comments because I'd love to make y'all some videos about that. So let me know. Love this bronzer. It warms this very pale girl up. Love it. This highlighter is my absolute favorite product from Farmasi. It is so versatile. I use it as eyeshadow, as highlighter. You can use it to ombre your lips, and I can get more into that in another video, but this is one of my all-time favorites. So when you're highlighting, it just showed it, but you kind of do a backward C starting from the middle of your eyebrow, right under the middle of your eye there, and then you can go down the nose, the very tip of the nose, above your cupid's bow. Also, you can highlight your chin. I am married also to a wonderful man named Gerald, and some things that we like to do together are very simple actually. We love movies. We have probably a little over 300 DVDs and VHSs in our house. Yep, you heard it, VHSs. We're still old school, but you know, it's just something about being nostalgic. We love nostalgia. And we like to go to the movies, and a lot of our dates actually just consist of going to Raising Cane's and going to Lowe's, or going to Chili's and going to Lowe's, or just going to Walmart. I mean, hey, there's nothing wrong with that. Just being together. That's the only important thing that matters. We have been married for a little over 7.5 years. We'll make 8 years in June, and I have to say, it gets sweeter with time. You know, you just learn each other's little quirks and what works and what doesn't. But the key thing is, guys, just communicate with your spouse. That's the biggest thing. Don't hold it in. If something comes up, just let it out. Gerald also has a YouTube channel. It's in my featured channel list there on the side. So if you guys want to go check him out, leave him some love, that would be awesome. Also, like I said before, we love movies. My favorite type of movies are rom-coms, comedies, do like a little vampire action every once in a while, like dystopian action, basically everything but horror, you know? And of course, Disney and cartoons and all of that jazz is so my jam. I also love to read. My favorite things to read are, you know, rom-coms, of course, but like fantasy, dystopian mysteries, I love that stuff. The stuff where you have to turn the page and you cannot quit, even when it's in the middle of the night and you need to go to bed, and you just keep reading because it's so good, you can't put it down. So as you know, Christmas just passed. Who here is as obsessed with Christmas as I am? I am one of those people, sorry not sorry, that decorate on Halloween every year, because I don't really do Halloween. We don't celebrate that. But no, I don't skip Thanksgiving. It's literally just decor. I still have Thanksgiving meals with my family. We still are very thankful for everything that we have. It's literally just in the decor. And I decorate for fall in September. So I do 2 months for fall and 2 months for Christmas, because that's how I roll. And my husband is such a good sport about the Christmas and the fall thing, because he just rolls his eyes because he knows that it brings me so much joy, and I just love that whole season. Fall and winter is definitely my favorite seasons. I do not like the heat. I like it cold. I have to say, eyeliner is probably my least favorite thing to do, just because it's so difficult. You get that wing going and just get it nice and straight. It don't always work out. But it is so glorious when it does. I mean, when your eyeliner's on point, you feel on point. You know what I mean? You can totally hear that hallelujah chorus just playing in the background of your mind when your wing eyeliner is on point. So where are you guys' favorite place to shop? My all-time top 2 favorite, I could go there every single shopping trip, is Hobby Lobby, of course, and Bath & Body Works. Guys, I'm obsessed with good smelling stuff. I mean, candles, scentsy stuff, body care. I mean, it's just my fave. Y'all, this mascara is the bomb. I mean, you go down the makeup aisle and you try all these mascaras, and they don't do what you want them to do. You know, this one I find, because I have decent length, but they're kind of sparse. So, oops, had a mess up. But with this mascara, it literally does exactly what I want it to do. It makes your lashes just pop, and it gives them length, it gives them volume. I love this mascara. 100% recommend. It's the 3D Effect Mascara. My family and I, we all sing. Both sides of my family have very musical background, so I get it honest. I do love to sing. Actually, my brother just dropped his first EP. So if you guys want to go check him out, he's amazing. His Instagram handle is @DunlapOfficial. In case you were wondering what this weird thing I'm doing with my finger is, if you do that, it helps your lipstick and your lip gloss not to get on your teeth. So that's what that weird thing is. And he is on Spotify and iTunes as Dunlap. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the finished look. If you like this, hit the like and subscribe. Bye.